Hi there, Michael Eskin here with another ABC Transcription Tools demo. Today I'm going to show you how you can play tunes out of PDF Tunebooks while in airplane mode, completely disconnected from the internet. And this works both for Safari for iOS and Mac, and in the user guide I have information on how to do this for Chrome and Firefox. On Safari you're going to be using an extension called Redirect Web for Safari. This is something you can download from the App Store. It's about $3.99, very inexpensive, and allows you to set up redirect rules that anytime you open the standard version of the tool, it will redirect to the offline enabled version of the tool. So once you've set up those rules, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the offline version of the tool because we need to get it actually stored in Safari on the device. So here we are, we've gone to the app one time, it's now stored, we can get to it when we're offline. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and close that tab so nothing will be in Safari. I'm going to go into airplane mode. So now we are completely disconnected from the internet, and I'm going to go into my PDF reader. I use Goodreader, and I'm going to go ahead and open up the O'Flaherty's Retreat Tunes tune book here. And we'll go back to the table of contents here. You can see here's the PDF, title page, and all that. And we'll, for example, pick the Banshee, and I'll touch the title. And now you see it launches in the tool, and we can play it. Now, again, we're completely disconnected from the internet here. Let's go back to Goodreader. Pick a different book. I've got a collection of O'Carolan tunes here. Let's try another one here, Mrs. Maxwell. Opens in the player. I'm going to go back online for a second here, and I want to show you something. By default, the tool will play with a piano sound when offline, but it is possible for you to get the full range of instruments that you are interested in when you're offline, but you're going to need to manage which instruments are available offline. So there's a setting here on the tool settings page, which is allow instrument notes and reverb settings database to be used offline. When that's checked, it will allow you to use any instrument notes that you've previously played in the player. So if you've played a tune while online, it should be available when you're offline. You can load all of the notes for any particular instrument by going into Manage Notes, Reverb, and Tune Search Databases. Click on Instrument Notes Database, and this shows you the list of all of the instruments that have ever been loaded into the tool that are available for playback offline. And there are options here for loading all of the notes of any particular instrument or loading all of the notes for all of the instruments that you've ever used. So there's a lot of information on this in the user's guide, and I highly suggest you check it out because if you are going to be playing a lot of tunes offline and you want to use a lot of different instruments, you do have to take some responsibility for managing getting those instruments stored in the tool while you are online. So I think having the ability to both use the tool as well as play tunes from PDF files while completely disconnected from the internet is a huge step forward for the tool. It allows use of the tool in scenarios where it simply would have been impossible before. For example, someplace where you don't have Wi-Fi or 5G connectivity, and it opens up all kinds of new possible use cases for the tool. So I hope you enjoy this new capability.